Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the 2021 Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Now this one does come to you in a lovely silver and does have 50,000 miles upon the clock. As well as this, it does also come with 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and also low range. Now this does have air conditioning, heated seats for the 2 front passengers, as well as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, hands-free cooling as well on there as cruise control, and I will just show you the rear seats as well. Now as you see, we have 3 more leather seats at the back with that Wildtrak stitching as well. Pop the middle bit down just here, we do of course have 2 cup holders and an armrest for the rear passengers comfort. Just down here we do of course have 12 volt and a 150 watt main socket as well. Now if we come to the rear as well, you can see that we do of course have a rather large bed space, even though this is a crew cab pickup truck, and the back there with a top as well. Now if you would like to find out more about this Ford Ranger Wildtrak, then please do feel free to head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk or anchorcars.co.uk. You can find both links in the description, or you can head over to our site in Padworth just outside of Reading to discover more about this vehicle.